Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siya. Guys, let's just unpack on Senzo Meyiwa's proceedings today at High Court in Pretoria. Hi, guys, I'm going to Baloyi. When is he going to stop with these lies that he is busy feeding us? Like all the time, Baloyi must force a defense into things and just trying to rule them. I'm just like, wenzani, you know? Yo, guys, Baloyi is solar like you've never seen. So the tracker lady from AVLZ about the red polo, the one that was driven by Longwetwala on the to put him on a speakerphone. If I go Baloyi, ngoba vele angithi ama BFFs anyway uzokufonela uBaloyi most of the time. Ngaphandle kokuthi vele is the state witness angithi. Since esebenzela istate ubrothers lo onamanga kodwa ufunda ilaw. Advocate Paul Ramusipile was like, we are a bit confused around that. The AVL expect to warn. We were actually told that she's not coming anymore. We are waiting for Kinind to come, and then must figure inside the court. Meyiwa. We are told now about Usisilo and sisters is here. Like, are you serious right now? Ramusipile was like, please, guys, we can't do that because we haven't even consulted with our people. We know accused number 2, I even told him about this lady. And then this lady is here now. Like, how is that even going to work? Baloyi, the problem with him, he thinks he can rule defense. I mean, that's his problem. I think that's always been his problem. Whenever it suits him, you know. So the defense must respond because really, why must we have Katrek expect to come, but Longwe does not come, you know? So Baloyi always says, I have already spoken to the defense. Was like you said, Gininda was coming. The defense was like, but you had said Gininda is coming. What's in mind? What are you on about, bruh? So the state basically keeps on waking up from where they were buried. What's up? Umgomezulu was like, if you're bringing Longwe, it's hearsay for us. You understand? Everywhere. It's like here and there. We don't know. That is said to have been driven by Long on the day. It's not helping us. Umgomezulu told him straight. He was like, please, just stop with this. So Baloyi needs to stop with the ambushing of the defense if there's no evidence on the registration. So why would you want to force defense to agree to such evidence? How is this different from Colonel Chris Mangena and his entourage? Because honestly, there's not much on the evidence that they brought to court. They are just the same as people who never came to court because there's no substance on their situations, on their evidence. There was nothing there. All three of them was from Ubababo, usually, Colonel Mangen, because Captain Dini, but there's nothing there. There's nothing to put somewhere. There's nothing there. Advocate Minister says this is the horrible ambush. Yamazik. This is a horrible ambush. Baloyi says defense cannot stop them from advancing. This is like, you know what? Gininda had said he will come today. What is this now? What is the story of us now hearing another thing? So when you know what happened? I wasn't here when my colleagues spoke to this guy. I was not here. But they did speak with Gininda on a speakerphone. A phone in Baloyi. Wavuma umuntu what no, I will come. But I command. And at some stage today, you are Lindy. I was like, very we are at his messy, like I said on my other title. We are at his messy, guys. Tinanje la. Yonkite Senzo season cooking in. No meeting, say ends in the show. Autumnness, it's unheard of that a person can be given a whole month. Go but now we have a life in the Busmanasila. We have cases that we had to put on hold. now umuntu kodwa yena sifanele sizwe ngayo. That's not even going to happen. Oh, bamngenela, especially yena no Advocate Zandile Mshololo. They're not taking it. They got in of him not coming anymore. So he was like, Umnisi was like, Ukininda must come. Because he knew when he became a policeman, they are though. When he became a policeman, when he became a policeman, he knew he can be called anytime. And he had actually agreed to come. No, now what is this? So he was like, it's not even going to happen. And a month to write exams, like I said yesterday, then on my video, the one that was titled Keninda, we are at his message guy basically. Or 5. We understand. So ultimately, we're not gonna wait for this person to write exams, because then it means we are coming back in February and nam I'm going to say Goburata was like, I know we must be compassionate. It's only human to be like that. No, Mnis was like, no, yes. Namige compassion. He was like, no, Namige, I'm compassionate. So can you not come? And then Nam Zosasama Kesami Zobia next year. And then my boy won't be around, and I will still be busy with my cases. I got to look at records, guys. So this guys with 16 years in this message. Umnisu you like in Tabaki, and I think we know Kulu, including Uzandile Mshololo. They were like on it. So Ngomizulu was like, I just want to find out the basis around the tracker. Why is the tracker coming? Like, how is she going to help us? I don't remember any witness talking about the registration numbers for this. So Ingenapim on the evidence in the Maria Pretoria is her name, the one that's coming today. A Krugersdorp. So the state must call Longwetwal. That's all that we want. And that's our thing, Jetin. The 6 people that were in the house must come back. Must come back. Sisho langiti otomel madal. No zandi namangab. They can come back. I need to kill no manga as in bin. And those are the main people for us. That must tell us who shot signs. I need they were in the house. Who can in the house? We main investigator. Nakona I fagai wa bulldozer I case. And it's in the yak. Echo no makubu. So you're born a So we just like okay, people can't do us like this. It's not right. How is the car he was driving on the 26th of October going to help us, and the defense is not sure about this car? If it's legit, so straight for like guys, it can be anyone's car. I mean, anyone I'm ability Nancy Mod. It has said any more is a man, guys. For the moon, we want the person that is driving the car. What are you gonna do with the car? What we are not waiting for Kininda. We have other lives and we have private practices. So we cannot be waiting for Kininda. He's not our stop. All accused also are entitled to a speedy trial. They can't just be waiting for months on end, you know? Like I said yesterday, if Kininda refuses to come now as a witness again, Uzo's are next February or March even, you know. So Mnisi is not buying his stories catchy Mshololo was also busy with Keninda's study leave. He was like, Keninda mustn't come up with stories and tell us stories, because on the days he's not writing, let's just say 3-4 days before he writes, what is he doing? And is that all under study leave? He must just come here. Why has he started law? Why has he, when he started to study law and when he became a police security? This is what's gonna happen. This is your job, basically. You're gonna be coming to court, you know, as a policeman. That's what Tumnes was trying to say. You can't just come whenever it suits him. My funayena, you are 17. Baloyi was like, it depends on the tracker lady ama-AVLs when he's done with his testimony mhlambe uzoqeda by next week ngoba uKininda is actually starting to write on the 14th, so I think he's free from the 17th again. So he's like, then maybe they can continue with the tracker lady. And you could see Judge Raha didn't want to agree tracker lady after he found out ukuthi kanti you guys had a meeting yesterday, sort of on the phone speaking to Kininda about this thing. So which means the tracker lady doesn't have to come. Kahle was it depends what Raha, no, it depends on nothing. I was just like, wow, even nayo lo baba lo kuluma ngani manje, ikuluma ngani lo baba, you know. Kuthe kusanjalo wabizwa advocate Thulani Mngomezulu, wabizwa wa-accuse number 1 uMuzika Khalelwa Sibiya. Wathi uMuzika Khalelwa ungakhohlwa baba i-ID. Wabuya advocate Mngomezulu wathi bengisacela i-ID ka baba. Hey, nayi indaba ye-ID guys, nayo I don't get it. Lento ye-ID ngoba I thought we had addressed it already. Ukuthi i-ID yafuneka, ingane efanele zobhalisa ingane zaka-accuse number 1 NSFAS. What is the problem here? Bathi bomnika ama-certified copy kusho uBaloyi. Hey uBaloyi, yabona uBaloyi guys. Hey uBaloyi ngeke shema akakaze abe right. Yazi ukuthi this one ngaze ngamuphi igama ukuthi usiniki Baloyi. This week ube uskelem. Bo advocate Skelem Baloyi, George Skelem Baloyi. I was just like, ngoba ela kangisazi ukuthi fanele ngenzeni. What's with the ID? They're like, can we have the original? Like, what is hard? Gobi ID khona, like, what is hard? I was like, hayi aba-right ama-certified copies. Siphelele lapho guys ngama-certified copies. Wazoyichaza, he had to break it down. Into vele siyaziyo nathi ukuthi yebo umuntu mayengekho lapho, it's fine, you can give the certified copies. It doesn't have to be the original ID. But guys, can you just have the original kababam? You understand? Ubaba wabo lo accused number 1 angithi ingane. Yeah, so they must just give it to them guys. I'm sure boy. It's like, why? Yo, how guys? So iphelela lapho guys. Sizobona kahle kusasa ukuthi siqhubeka kanjani because kuba nzima kona. You can see hayi daba kaGininda nje, they are not taking it defense. They like engezidlala lo muntu uthi no muntu akezela sifuna ukusebenza sifuna uqeda. Angithi no JP Judge President had said case ifanele sheshe. Can we get on with it then? Kubona leyo nto. So ngiphelela lapho guys. For now ngiyani appreciate so much guys. You know how much I love you. Ngithanda over. Thank you guys.